I got this Microcin AH Animal Health Cat Wound and Skincare. I'm gonna go see if Happy Cat is in the backyard. Made in the USA. What do you think about that? Alright, I got some cat treats and a little bit of dry for Happy Cat. I gave him some canned food earlier. I'm sure that is gone. Check it out, guys. I picked up this Iron Giant at a thrift store a few weeks ago. And besides this stuff, I'm also going to put a little first aid triple antibiotic on his ear. This stuff seems to help. Check out Claudio and Svensson's Funko Pop collection. Isn't that crazy how small they are? Got some water here to spritz any gunk out of his wound. Come here, kitty, 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 kitty. Come here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Okay, well, he ate the wet food. Obviously, he was here. Oh, here's Fluffy, my escape artist. You want to go in? Come on, let's go in. Yeah, she's like, get me out of here. It's cold. Okay. Oh, he's not in the backyard.